Are you ready to streamline your appointment scheduling and event bookings on your WordPress site? Today, I'll walk you through, step by step, exactly how to set up the Amelia Booking Plugin, even if you're a total beginner. By the end, you'll have a fully functioning booking system that looks great and works seamlessly, saving you time and making your business more professional. Let's dive straight in. First up, we need to install and activate the plugin. So log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is your website's control center. On the left, find plugins and click Add New. You'll see a search bar at the top. Type in Amelia. Press Enter and you'll notice a list of plugins, but make sure you choose Amelia Appointments and Events Booking Calendar. When you spot it, click Install Now. Wait for WordPress to do its thing. This part might take a few moments. Once it's done, don't forget to click Activate. That's crucial. It brings Amelia to life on your site. You should now see new Amelia options in your left side menu, so you've officially added a powerful booking engine to your WordPress. Now, before anyone can actually book, you need to link your services to real people, or employees in Amelia terms. Think of each employee as a provider customers can choose. Go to the Amelia section in your dashboard and select Employees. Click the plus employee button to add someone new. Enter the bare essentials, their first name, last name, and a valid email address. Here's a tip: double-check that the Show on Website switch is turned on, or clients won't be able to actually pick that employee to book with. If you want to get really accurate, head to the Work Hours tab. By default, it'll show Monday through Friday 9 to 5, but you're totally free to adjust that. Maybe you offer evening consultations, or perhaps you need to block out holidays or special days. Every business is unique, so take a moment to customize it. Hit Save when you're done. Don't worry if you need to make tweaks later. Amelia makes it easy to update. Next, let's create your bookable services. These are the types of appointments or events you're offering, like haircut, legal consultation, or yoga class. Go to Amelia Services. It helps to organize your offerings, so start by clicking Add Category, for example. You might group by consultations or therapies. Inside your category, click Add Service. Give your service a clear name, set how long it lasts, and pop in the price. These details shape the booking experience for your clients. You also assign the service to at least one employee, which connects your staff to their areas of expertise. If this service should be available online, make sure Show on Website is enabled. You'll notice there's space for extra details. You can add a gallery of images, a long description, or set a maximum group size, great for events or workshops. Fill out as much as you can to make it even easier for your customers and click Save. You're almost done. The final piece is making your booking form visible on your actual website, so potential clients can easily find and use it. Head to your pages or posts and click Add New. Give the page a clear title like Book an Appointment. Adding the form itself depends on your setup. If you're using the Gutenberg block editor, just click the plus icon and pick Amelia from the options. If you prefer page builders like Elementor or Divi, look for the Amelia widget. They've made it so you just drag and drop. Alternatively, you can use a shortcode, paste Amelia Booking directly into the editor. This little code is all you need, no fuss. Double-check that everything looks good, then publish or update your page, and congratulations, your booking system is now live to the world. And that's it, you've just transformed your WordPress site into a booking powerhouse, ready to take appointments day or night. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment if you have any questions or ran into any issues, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow WordPress guides. Thanks for watching and happy booking.